PDP Laban holds a fiery finale to their campaign with Vice President Sara Duterte making a bold appeal. She also raises alarm over alleged election cheating. Our Hannity reports.
In the middle of light rain and a burst of green confetti, Vice President Sara Duterte stepped on stage at PDP Laban's final campaign rally. She came not as an official, but as a voter worried for the nation's future. She said she received reports of massive cheating, allegedly backed by the administration's Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas slate.
Ang binuong alyansa ay isang mapanganib na pagsasanib puwersa ng isang administrasyong walang kakayahan, mga elitistang liberal at mga tinaguriang makabayan na ang tunay na hangarin ay manatiling mahirap ang taong bayan.
Her call, vote straight for Duterte. But she added two names, which drew mixed reactions from the crowd.
Alam ko hindi kayo matutuwa, pero iboboto ko si Amy Marcos. Iboboto ko rin si Camille Villar.
The two were not part of Duterte, but remain close allies of the vice president and were endorsed in earlier ads. Her youngest sister, Kitty, was also present with a message for their father, FPRRD.
Know that I remain unafraid, unbent, and unswayed, just like you. Your battle is my battle.
Attorney Raul Lambino dismissed claims that PDP Laban candidates were pro-China. He said their critics simply want the conflict in the West Philippine Sea to escalate to profit from arms sales. The slate also mocked the shrinking number of opposing candidates.
Kulang na silang 12. 10 na lang yata sila o kaya 9 na lang yata ay mag-ialisan na po yan. Pero ang Duterte buong buo dahil po sa inyong lahat.
Duterte lamang ang nangangako na hindi namin kayo nanakawan.
Alam namin lahat, nangangatog na sila. Nangangatog sila dahil alam nilang kasinungalingan nila. Bakit nagkawatak-watak ang mga Pilipino? Bakit? Bakit, Pangulong Marcos?
Meanwhile, Sagip Party List Representative Rodante Marcoleta is unbothered by survey results. Only two from their slate have made it to the projected Magic 12. He ranked 18th in the latest SWS survey.
Pinipilit nilang ibaba kami lahat sa survey. Naniniwala ba kayo sa survey?
Former pediatrician to Kitty Duterte, Dr. Richard Mata, pitched his healthcare agenda.
Importante po ang kalusugan. Dahil po kahit mahirap lang tayo, kahit wala tayong pera, pero kung ang kalusugan natin ay covered ng gobyerno, ang pakiramdam natin ay mayaman tayo. Agree ba?
Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, who's now under PNP custody on trafficking and abuse charges, sent a video message to supporters.
Ang akin pong tunay na ambisyon ay ayusin ang ating bansang Pilipinas.
Former Executive Secretary Vic Rodriguez also aimed his speech at the Marcos administration. He was PBBM's former Chief of Staff and Executive Secretary.
Sa aking mga kasama dito sa Duterte sa PDP, salamat brothers, isang karangalan na tayo nagsama-sama ngayong halalan at dalhin ninyo ang buong Duterte sa Senado.
Fill my heart with gladness, ease my problems, that's what you do.
Senator Bato de la Rosa took a lighter approach and sang for supporters. His fellow Senator Bongo, who's consistently on top of surveys, defended his record.
Wala po akong absent sa Senado sa loob po ng 6 na taon. Makikita niyo ako nandiyan sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Vice President Sara Duterte raised the hands of all Duterte candidates, her father's Senate bets. This marked the final grand rally of the party before Monday's midterm elections. Hannah T, Billionario News Channel.